Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error during during installing a specific application or program here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's fix that and let's get started. The very first method that I could recommend you is you need to run it as administrator. How you can do that? Simply navigate to your application or program, do a right click and there you would be able to see an option called Run as Administrator. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to proceed on setting up your application. For here, you need to click on next and choose a language that you would prefer that you would understand. Click on next and then click on install. Okay, so the moment you have click on install, you would be able to install this program. Okay, and that's the very first method that I could show you. The second method that I could recommend you is you need to try it to install to another location or on another hard drive in your Windows or computer. How you can do that? Just have to double tap to that particular application or yes program, then click on yes when your user account control will ask you to say yes. And here you need to click on next. Click on next once again, and there you would be able to see an option called browse. Okay, so here you need to scroll down and look for this option which is called this PC. Now, the moment you click on it, you'd be able to see the available drives or yes devices that is present in your computer. Now, you can choose your local disk, okay? But if it's not working since you have installed it or you have placed it in your C drive, you can choose your USB flash drive or hard drive present in your Windows or computer or the flash drive that you have plugged in. Okay? Once you have selected it, just have to click on it to do a right click. Okay? And just have to create a new folder. New. So let's say for example, this is the hard drive that you are choosing to. Go with folder and just name that into the application that is the name of your application. Just have to set it, type stem and click on OK. The moment you have clicked on it, choose this particular application, okay, and just have to go with it and then install that. Click on install the moment you have chosen it. Click on install and install that specific program. Okay, so that's the second method. The third method that I could recommend you to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for UAC. Again, type for UAC. And this time, you need to choose the change user account control settings. Click on open. And the moment you have to click on it, you'd be able to see this user account control settings. So just have to click on the very list of that. Go with the very list and click on OK. Your account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, and try to open that application. Click on next, and click on install. Okay? So that's the third step that I could recommend you to do. Okay? So those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.